Today, I'm going to teach you how to make one of the most iconic Moroccan tagines in a pressure cooker. It's lamb tagine with prunes. Fork tender, melt-in-your-mouth lamb with sweet, jammy prunes. Truly, there is no better combination than the flavors happening in this tagine. Now, this dish is traditionally cooked in a clay tagine over low heat, but we're speeding things up today to deliver those same delicious results. Start by sauteing bone-in lamb with onions, garlic, spices, saffron water, and more. I'll include an exact recipe in the description below. Add enough water to cover the meat and cook on the highest pressure for 40 minutes. Let the steam release naturally for 10 minutes and then carefully manually release the remaining pressure. If there's excess liquid in the pot, remove the meat and set the pressure cooker to a sauté setting and reduce the sauce until it is thick and coats the meat. For the prunes, cook them in a bit of the cooking liquid with cinnamon, honey, butter, and orange blossom water. Then it's time to prepare some fried or toasted blanched almonds for garnish. I typically fry mine, but today we're baking them for a healthier version. For the presentation, I like to put mine back into the tagine to be able to serve it in the traditional fashion. I spoon any extra sauce from the prunes into the tagine at the end. If you end up trying this recipe at home, let me know how it turns out. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit!